Welcome to Moss Review. Today we're going to do a unboxing. We're going to look at the resolution and settings, and then a review of this smart home video doorbell. So we're just going to look at what's included in the box. Okay, let's see, try to get this box open. Give me more trouble than, wow. Okay, keep that in line. Okay, so when you open the box, it's pretty sealed in there, so just wanted to inform you. So first we have the quick start guide. Let's see. I think there's a page in between. Oh, yeah, okay. So we have what's in the box, information, QR code, information, live viewing. So pretty much the setup, your voice message, etc. Okay, here we have troubleshooting, specification, installation. Put that down there. Okay, pair your Shine with doorbell. Here's some more information. So there's the little pamphlet that comes inside it. Here's for inside the house. See, it has a USB. So let's try and get this out. So this is the doorbell. See, remove before use. You have a sticker that says remove before use. See if this comes out. So I haven't looked at the instructions yet, so let's look at this. Wish they made it a little bit easier to get into some of this stuff. Okay. I'm guessing this is the charging cable, which I was right, and the installation, screws, and other things that you'll need. So here is the reset little pin. You actually get two. You have some nails, screws, tape. You have your cable. Let's see. You have this right here. I don't know what that's for. And you have these two. So that's pretty much everything included in the box. We will be doing a setup and then look at the settings. We'll also look at the resolution. And we'll be doing a review, so just continue watching the video and you'll be able to see everything that I just spoke of. Okay, so now we're just going to go into the app portion of the doorbell camera. So we'll highlight some stuff and we'll show how the video actually looks on a bigger screen, not just a phone. But here you can share the app or the device with another person. Here's all the scenes that have been recorded. Here you can do cloud storage if you want. Here's your messages, sharing history, alarm messages, system message, and customer service. Here's me. I'm not going to click on it. It has my information. Here we'll look at, let's look here. Okay. And so you can look at it. Here you can add another device. Let's click in the actual camera. So you have Wi-Fi at 70%, bit rate, and it gives you the information. It has the day on the top left. And then here we have the device name, receive alarm notification, device share, device information, installation guide. And so basic functions, speaker volume, and it's just a slider. It's at 70%. Voice message, you can leave a voice message. Night vision, I have it automatic, you can turn it off. Power management, and it says it has 36% battery power. Wireless chime, so you can pick different chimes. You can also put the ring volume, chime reminder, chime pairing. So let's see, that was basic functions. Power saving settings, you can put it medium. Shooting time, I put it at 1 minute. Motion detection, you can set motion detection low, high. Day detection, night detection. Alarm alert plan. Recording management, I have a 32 gigabyte storage at 1 minute parent or 1 minute storage. Cloud storage, device version. And so here you can do a screenshot. Intercom, record. You can record. Here you can look at your album. So here I am. And so the volume sounds really good. And you can tell that the video looks really good. I'm going to just show the bigger version of it. And then, so here we have the history. You have the calendar. You have the alert. Let me go back. Oh, I got out of it. So here we go. History, alert. You have your screenshot.
Record this.
Record album. You also have your cloud. And so there's many things you do in the app that really help with the doorbell and personalize it for yourself or whatever location you're actually using it. And so the doorbell was extremely easy to install. The bottom screw, I would say, is pretty much, you just want to make sure you tighten it right, not left. The bottom, you turn it right, and that's the way to tighten it. Because it is so tiny of a little screw that you can be tightening it, and you also don't want to drop. We put it in our deck, and if it drops, it's going to drop down to the bottom or in the grass area. So that you're going to want to make sure. You're also going to want to make sure you have it high enough but low enough where you can see everyone. And so just very well done. Really like the doorbell camera. I'll keep you guys updated if I have any issues with it, or if the battery dies, or if the battery starts losing its battery power. But that's just an easy fix. You just buy another battery that's rechargeable, and hopefully you could just implement it into the camera, or the doorbell. And so you just could keep using it, and we'll see if it gets any water when it's storming or snow. It isn't the deck, so I won't be able to really show or determine how well it does in the weather, because our deck has a thing on top of it. So overall, just a great doorbell camera. Excited to use it for next probably like 3, 4, 5 years, and then eventually we'll probably be upgrading it to 4K or 8K, determine on what's available or price point, and the motion detection, face recognition. Who knows what technology will be available in these doorbells, but just great camera. So I don't see any negative, just positives, and it's pretty much just like any other doorbell camera that we've used. We have several of them, and they all seem to work the same. And so if you have any comments, concerns, or questions, especially as I've had it for like 4 or 5 months or a year, ask me if it still works or if I'm still using it, and I can give you that information. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe. My social media is down below in the description, and I'm going to have a link of where to buy the doorbell in the description. I'll provide the link, and I'll see you in the next video.
If you like this video, please click like and subscribe.